This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, jump scares, gore, and mention of a TV. Why is there a warning for the mention of a TV? Headphones and a change of pants are recommended. I got a whole pile beside me. Let's do this. We're locked and loaded. Monday night. Finally home from work. Man, I'm hungry. I know I've got something to eat in the fridge. Ah, shit, a hungry man connoisseur. The double triple burger, double barreled, shaboing boing, the cheesy beef burrito, the Christmas dinner, or biscuits and gravy. What do we eat, guys? I'm thinking the fucking double barrel shaboing boings. Or the triple double burger. What are y'all thinking? I know Glitch likes them double barrel shaboing boings. Oh, never mind. Triple double burger, double triple burger. I'm so hungry I could eat this thing cold, but I should still microwave it. Just in case salmonella and all, you know? La-da-dee, la-da-da. I don't have something to eat after work. I limit myself to one meal a night. I know I can kick back, watch some TV, and dig in. Just like a real man. Cut on the damn boob tube. The Amazing World of Albert. Albert bakes a cake. I love this show. WASD. And the... of arrow. Okay, how to bake a cake 101. Gather milk, an egg, flour, and sugar on the table. And then you, not really sure what's next. Hopefully you have a cake by then. Okay, let's read the sign. Farm. Sugar. Weird sugar fella. I want to go to the farm first. Okay. Okay, sir. If you want my flour, you're gonna have to be faster than that. Maybe I can... Albert takes a closer look at the lock. Yep, it is definitely locked. Whoa, it dropped. Huh? What do I do? Do I drop it on the thingy? Huh? Do I give it to you? This here scythe is the #1 reason I won this year's National Cornfield Contest. Corn itself was reason #3. Huh. Okay. Damn, he's got a big-ass cornfield. Damn, he's got a big old cornfield. Damn, he's got a big cornfield. Hold on. What are you, sir? A spud-shaped thing. Blinks one eye and its expression is unchanging. Okay. Damn, his fucking field goes on forever. His field goes on forever. Hello, spud-shaped guy. Do I have to drop the bucket on the spud guy? Let's try it. shaped thing. Okay. He's protecting his sugar. You don't say. What happens if I go this way? Ah. Poke all the chickens. Poke. 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 Ah, an egg. Do I put it in the bucket? Wait, yeah, can I put it in the bucket? No. So it's either one or the other? What are you? What are you over here? People pray for cake. But when the Almighty gives them milk, eggs, flour, and sugar, they get frustrated and leave the kitchen. Okay, sir. Well, I got egg. I don't need your flour, man. I got egg. Okay, that's egg. So I need the bucket for the cows, I'm assuming. So let me go back up and get the bucket. Yeah. Cow is utterly udderless. When the brown cow released mud from its udders, he dumps the thick, goopy contents of the bucket on the ground. Cow got milk. Yeah. Okay. So now I go put this on the table, and then I go to the... Let's go to the weird guy, the weird fella. Psst. I've got that brick of sugar you're looking for. So bring me an egg and it's all yours. Dang it. Press back and forth. Back and forth. Okay, time to go get another egg. Well, time to poke them all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. We never read the sign, did we? No, we did. Poke all the chickens. Okay, hop to a. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's give them the egg. Here it is. Don't tell anyone you got it from me. Damn brick. Okay. Make a cake. Milk, egg, flour, and sugar. And then you, Okay, so... we need to get the... Okay, so he's gone. Need to go this way, I feel like. Yep, key. Alright guys, this is how you break and enter into a barn. I'm not stealing your damn flour, man, don't worry. He killed his wife. He put her in the barn. Okay, he's gone. Yay, guys! That's how you figure out that the farmer is a murderer. Yay! Hello, people of wherever we are. Got a real crazy news story for you guys. The family of Blair Key has reported her missing. So far, it is undetermined if she is still alive. But let's be serious with each other. She is totally dead, so be on the lookout. See you all tomorrow night. Disappearing people? I better check the windows before going to bed. Okay. Good. Good, good. Why can't I close it? Okay, we're good. Okay. 1, 2. Nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing seems to be scary. What's this way? Why is that door different? Ah. Yeah. Okay, just a little bit ominous. Oh, I feel safe now. My bad, I had to go for a second. What's going on? We made the cake and now there's a missing lady. Time to turn off all the lights and go to bed. Okay. Boom. I like how the ambience cuts off whenever we cut it off. Oh no. Okay. Hop into bed. Tuesday night. Home sweet home. Alright, what do we eat tonight, guys? What are we eating tonight? What do we eat tonight? Do we eat the... double barrel glizzies. Okay, pop them bad boys in the microwave. Time to kick back. Hello? Hello? Hey there! Mom, what are you doing up so late? I wanted to check in on my youngin'. With the disappearances and you working late, I wanted to make sure you were okay. I'm doing fine, Mom. How are you holding up? Oh, I've never been better. I enjoyed the afternoon sun while shaping a bunny topiary. Gosh, Mom, your house is already shaped like a steak. Huh? Now you got a bunny-shaped bush out front? You better hope a werewolf isn't behind these disappearances. I'm sure I'll be fine. Well, I just wanted to check in on you. Don't stay up too late tonight. You got it, Mom. I love you to the moon and back. I love you too. Oh, thanks, Mom. Alright. Albert stuffs the cake into what is hopefully a pocket. Okay, time to go to the sandcastle. The pristine sandcastle stands strong. Built by hand despite being no other sign of sand around. Albert admires its confidence to stand out. Do we go up, down, or right? Up, down, or right, chat? Up, down, or right? Do we go up? Do we go down? Or do we go right? I'm gonna pretend like I didn't just see that. Up? Okay. Oh, what the hell? I have no flowers left to give to those who have gone. Standing in the middle of the beach, whose water waves for no one, I wonder, was it right to keep this fire going? Huh. Okay. What's this thing? A red thug bandana. Oh, are these the thugs? Hey, thugs. Throws a single crumb of cake to the kids. They pounce on it like animals and go right back to throwing the ball. Go a little faster than before. I want to play at Cornwood Park. My mom will let me play at Cornwood Park because she believes in a Cornwood Creeper. What is he going to do? Cry you to death? She said she would take my dog on a one-way trip to Nebraska, like my dog. Your dog is dead, Hunter. Okay, Hunter. I can't go in your house, Hunter. I look creepy. Ooga booga guy. Can I go down here? I can't. Ah, Triangle Man. Albert unsheathes his cake and lights a torch with the candle flame. Having served too long as a makeshift light stick, the torch starts falling apart quickly, spreading a fire. Does the clock want cake now? New light patch has squashed knot of dread in Gluck's stomach, allowing for whole turkey he ate this morning to pass and make him full. Okay, I got a torch. I guess I go down here. Jimapel John. That is, my name is John. You're not a Frenchie like me. Would I like a cake? Sorry, bruh. My diet says I can't eat cake right now. But my diet do say I should go for a run. Want a race? Blow my shell horn and we'll be off to the races. Race on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, he's so fast. Oh shit, he's so fast. Dang it, dude. Haha, I won. If you want to race again, come see me at Shell. Oh. Oh, hey, little dude. What is this thing? Do you need this? Everyone is losing their minds over the recent disappearances. Half the time I can't tell if someone was taken or if they hid themselves out of fear. Kid, are you serious? Okay, I won't go in your house then. I'm gonna leave this right here, though. Holy shit, they're playing rock, paper, and scissors? Foolish girl. She continues to use scissors when I obviously possess the superior rock. When will she learn? I'm gonna give her the paper. Oh, this guy left. Albert knocks, but nobody answers. Okay. Or can I use the paper to win? Yes, this is exactly what I needed, thank you. Now the whoopee becomes the whooper. Become the very thing I was once ashamed. Well, now I got scissors. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm probably not faster, am I? Holy fuck, he's so much faster. He is so much faster than me, okay. Okay, so he knows a shortcut right there. Maybe if I can stab him? No. What can I do to win? They're cutting the little... Oh. Oh, I cut the thing. Oh, I just need 3 items. Okay. So that's 1. I could have used the damn paper. Okay, we got the torch, though. I'm stuck. Up we go. Can I burn it? No. Okay, so... maybe I can just get like a clump of sand from it? Why is nobody answering? Answer me! Answer! Nobody answers. My bad, I was busy. Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good. Trying to figure out how to... How to beat... Okay, I gave her that. Lethally allergic to eggs, but thank you. I gotta beat this guy, I think. Or wait. Or can I just steal his horn? No, I can't just steal his horn. Huh. So he already beat me. But is an excellent anchor to the ground. Okay, so this guy's just crazy fast. But I think, yeah, I think that this is a good path. Oh, shit. Damn! Damn, he's fast. Damn, why are you so fast, dude? Damn, why are you so fast, dude? I'm even hitting shortcuts and shit. Damn. So I'm faster going side to side. I don't know what to do. I can't stab them, I can't light them on fire. I'm gonna try to cut this flower. Break his pegs with the caveman club. Wait, here we go. That's actually not a bad idea. If I can get the clubs from... If I can get the club from the caveman, I might be able to do that, actually. Okay, so... have no flowers. Okay. So it is flower... and then fire here. Maybe I do give scissors to club guy. Lagged when I said what? I give you my surfboard. Oh my god, I'm just gonna play on this office keyboard, dude. Oh, I don't even care. Look at me, I'm running. Is it working? Yes. Oh, this one, the down arrow is stuck now. Sweet. Okay. So to pop out the down arrow, I have to press my other keys around it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Hold on, y'all. Can I alt tab and show you what keyboard I'm rocking with right now? Let me just show you. Let me here. Let me put my video capture up here.
So I'm at my grandmother's house and she has
Look.
interesting things.
Look, this is what I'm fucking rocking with. Look, this is what I'm having to use. I'm having to use a 2002 fucking Windows Office keyboard. This thing is so butt. So freaking ass. Get the webcam off. My phone can't handle this. Okay. And this isn't even the last game that we have crotch cam. Dude, you wish I had a crotch cam. Hello, who's there? Albert doesn't respond, but the speaker smells the cake through the door. Whoa, wow, 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 wow. He's really craving cake. How did you know? You're like the best person ever. Let's be friends. It's probably the person's mom, huh? Would you want to hang out at Cornwood Park tonight? Albert excitedly shakes his head in agreement. Holy smokes, everybody. I've got an update on the disappearing people situation. Since our last broadcast, there's been many more people, missing people reports. Oh no, he's the creep in the park. He is. and 2 confirmed deaths. Investigators have examined the 2 crime scenes, hoping to determine the identity of the no-good hooligan behind all this. Surprisingly, each crime scene had different sets of fingerprints. Is there a group behind the disappearances? Is the killer a shapeshifter? Did they get hand replacement surgery I've wanted for years? Who knows? Now, to the more burning question, are hot dogs technically tacos? Tune in tomorrow night and find out. Well, I guess time to check my windows. Skirt, skirt. Oh, look at the deer. Look at the deer. Good question. Look at her. Look at her. There's a certain nostalgia from seeing these rerun episodes. I can almost perfectly recall how my childhood room looked when I first... What? It would be after school, late in the afternoon. Dad just got a couple drinks in. I don't want to think about that right now. Okay, hi-ya! Hi-ya! Skirt! Yeah, we're good. Oh, I gotta cut off the light, huh? Alrighty. Well, time to cut off the light. Oh. Let's cut that light back on. Let's look around really quickly, actually. This is a nice little home, to be honest. I hear somebody. I hear them in the house. I feel safe now. I don't. Should turn off the light. Okay, let's just go to bed. Hope for the best. Okay. Time to kick back, relax, eat some food. What are we feeling today? Kind of feeling the whole Christmas dinner. We haven't eaten too much this week, so I feel like the Christmas dinner might be a good meal. What was that? Somebody in my bedroom? The Amazing World of Albert! Yay! Albert visits Cornwood Park. Okay. Okay, hello there. The middle of the night is perfect time to play in the park. The only problem is that the gates get locked at sunset. But the lock won't stop us from climbing over the fence. Community board titled Cornwood Park stands in front of Albert. One piece of paper advertises some key finding business. Another reads, "Have you seen my dog? She isn't missing. I just thought you should see her." The dog in question is pictured below. Alright, time to climb. No way I'm gonna climb that fence by hand. Last time I climbed a fence like that, the whole thing fell right on top of me. We should find something to help us climb over. Aye, Captain. Yo! It's fucking Sassy the Sasquatch or whatever. You know what I've been... You know what's worse than someone not believing in you? Someone getting clowned on because they believe in you. It boggles my brain seeing someone get mocked because another person can't see me for who I am. Does the other person need their eyes checked? I'm right here. In my entirety. It's not worthless because they can't see my value. It takes a lot of courage to believe in something, especially yourself. I apologize, I'm rambling. Come on, brother. Alright, man. I hope I go. Oh, shit. So it just loops there. Yeah, just... Okay, what about left? A fish from last month's full moon fish festival lives rotting on the ground. A stench burns Albert's nose like snorting water. Albert tries to lift the table, but it doesn't budge. Not even a little bit. Not at all. He glances around to make sure no one saw him. Embarrassing. Dude, we got the chair. Take a book. Share a book box. The door seems to have been ripped off its hinges. Albert gazes lingers on a book about catching something in the rye. He'll have to come back with a book of his own to make the trade. So are we just chair stacking? Okay, chair stack it is. Why is this guy not helping us, though? Why is it all Albert? Why is it all on Albert, huh? Be careful, the top of that fence is very sharp. Awesome! Now we can play for whom the bell tolls. What? All you have to do is ring all the bells in the park without me catching you. Head on up, I'll follow after. Okay. Oh, there's blood? Okay, I'm gonna ring all the bells. Oh, shit! I caught you. Alright, you can try again. Since the game is restarting, you have to hit all the bells again. 1, 2, 3. Holy fuck, he's fast! Try again. 1, 2, 3. Wait, where'd he go? Have I not ringed them all? Oh man, you got all the bells. That was a ton of fun. We should play another game tomorrow, but what game? Ooh, ooh, ooh! We can play pass it at the ball field. I can't wait. Well, we better get home before some night creepy crawlers get us. I called dibs on using the swings to launch myself back over the fence first. Welcome back, everyone. Let's get back to my spicy question. As far as I know, hot dogs are more of a sandwich than a taco. Anywho, so far all bodies from the disappearing people case have been located in the woods. That has got to mean there's some sort of secret base out there. There's a little sketch of the possible base I made. Pretty good, right? There's little to no evidence suggesting there's a base, but there's no way there isn't one. Officials suggest sticking with others when you are out and about in the woods. Lol. Let's hope your buddy isn't the evildoer. In other news, microwavable meals manufacturers by day and musical group by night. Golden Relic released their new single, 14 Tater Tots, yesterday. I've already memorized the whole thing. Take a listen.
If there's 14 tater tots and one falls off, one falls off, one falls off. If there's 14 tots and one falls off. How many tots you got? 13!
Wow. That song was fire. God, Polly, you stole my spotlight. That's it. Blow it all up. Okay. Well then, see you all later, and be safe. Remember to be Wait, what? Never mind. Oh, he was saying remember to subscribe. Oh, time to... Is the deer out? Who cut off my lights? And who killed my deer? Who the fuck turned off the light is right? I feel safe now. I don't. How could you possibly feel safe right now? Okay, Thursday night. Kitchen light. Wait. Wait. Yeah. I am missing one. Who's been up in the crib? The door closed? Yeah, I ate the Christmas one. But I have to save some for work. I'm out, dude. The Amazing World of Albert. Albert plays Pass It, Pass It. Ball. Okay. Let's get back into Albert Pass It, Pass It. A round cat with a crescent on her belly is coughing away. Albert decides to perform the cat version of the Heimlich maneuver. Oh, we saved her. And we got a damn hairball. Hell yeah. Meow, 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 meow. The round cat blinks at Albert as if expecting a response. Well, why didn't we give it a response? I had no idea it was supposed to rain today. I wish that news guy would talk about the weather every once in a while. We can still play Pass It, Pass It, Pass It, though. Are you really having fun if you aren't getting muddy? But kinda sort of forgot to bring the ball. Sure, you can find a ball for us around here. It is a ball field after all. Oh, of course, I gotta steal the ball. You might want to move. Hunter goes all in when playing Pass It, Pass It. Okay, I'll move. Please move, Shaw. You wouldn't want to get hurt with my mighty kicks. Wait for them to kick and run for it. Oh, shit. They only kick it whenever I'm not there, though. Nico rules. Oh, yeah, I got a boulder. Then run for it. Greetings, orange boy. I see you're looking for a ball. I have a ball for you, but it comes with a price. This is no ordinary ball. You'll have to bring me 3 other balls. Then it will be yours. Okay, well, here's a rock ball. 2 more balls. Okay, got some emotes on the wall. Okay, we'll check it. I got a hairball for you. What do you think of the hairball? 1 more ball. It's almost yours. Okay. I'll get the other ball. Do I shake the tree? Ah, salamander. Hey, Nim Nim. Have you seen my tail anywhere, Nim? He's a really great guy. You would love him. You really would, Nim Nim. I got into a real kerfuffle with a fox a couple weeks back, waving through branches, and logs and all. At one point, I got stuck, and my tail just pops right off. Just shows his ball sack. Oh yeah, I need 2 balls, huh? Well, sadly, I got one of them removed in the 3rd grade, so I only have 1. And when I needed him most, he up and leaves. He left in a way that made him unfamiliar to me. I don't know the tail that left me in that high-speed chase. I don't. Okay, man. Dang, dude. Thank you, man. Thank you for being quiet. Shut the fuck up. Let's go to the right. Okay, we're on top of the mountain. Oh. Oh, well, sweet! Anyway, let's go up here. Oh, we can't. Paul sees a perfect video idea. Okay, how do I... Far out of Albert's reach. Okay, so how do I... Supposed to rain today, blah, blah, blah. Go steal the ball. I'm gonna try. I got the ball, I got the ball, I got the ball, I got a ball. You have done well, Orange Boy. Here is your reward. Oh, I got a big-ass gumball. Hell yeah. Look, dude, I got a big-ass gumball. I knew you could do it, Albert. Let's head to the field and pass this thing around. Okay. Okay. Prepare for my kick. My kick of doom. Yeah. Get ready. Yeah. I see you're a good player. I can't let you score. Not like this. Yeah. Back pass. Yeah. Now. Okay, I wait. Pass back. Oh no. Hey, yeah. Oh yeah. Shut the fuck up, it's not an anime, my brother. Albert. Why? Hello everyone. So, tonight's news, no more Mr. Silly Guy. The situation about the disappearing people has gotten out of hand. Officials advise that everyone stays home. Don't leave your house for any reason. Trust no one, not even me. But please, trust me about the not trusting people part. This may be our last broadcast. See you eventually. Oh no, Albert is the killer. No! No, dude! No! The baby, no! The mama and the baby, no! Dude, deers are like my favorite animal ever. That's so sad. Got the mama and the baby. Fun fact, Deers are my favorite animal. And that is heartbreaking. Nobody here? Okay, good. Got it worse than Bambi. Who cut off my lights? You feel safe now. Yeah, something doesn't feel right. The damn TV's on. You feel safe now. I don't. Friday night. Well, no food, no worries, I guess. I was expecting a jump scare. I was too. The Amazing World of... Albert? Albert! Oh, his tail. That's where his tail was. Holy shit! The closet. Mom. Late night TV rerun. Director. Artist. Mom. Dude, that was fucking crazy. Oh, it's all written by Marcus himself. Odd behavior. Okay.